What's up, guys? I know I look crazy without my hair, but I did a thing and I bought a wig, but I spent $560 on a wig, and I like whispered that because I'm like still like shocked. I'm so frugal, and so like the fact that I even spent this much is like ridiculous, but it's so worth it. Like with hair, it's like what you pay for is what you get, and I'm excited because I haven't really tried out. I tried out like quickly because I wanted to like kind of do my first impressions on the video. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. I want to give you a little bit of background, but I'm gonna do it with my hair on because like I'm not feeling this. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna put the wig on and then we'll chat. Whoo! Alright, so I am back, and y'all, this is the wig. It's so pretty. Okay, obviously I haven't cut the lace yet because I'm low-key scared. But I'll do that like after the video, or actually no, I'll do that. I'll come back and add that. But anyways, the place that I got this from is Studio Glamour Wigs. Studio, everything's spelled like the normal way, it's nothing crazy. But on Instagram I like came across her profile. I believe she's from like New York, and I was so excited because I always look on Instagram and there's so many people like making wigs now, and like it's so hard to find like who like you would trust, and people are bad with business. Like, so I'm just like you know, looking for a while, just trying to find somebody where I can buy a wig, because I make them myself, but they don't always turn out as good as when somebody else who like that is what they do makes them. So anyway, Studio Glamour Wigs, Instagram, Facebook. The website is Studio Glamour Wigs. She makes all different type of wigs, units, but I definitely think that she deserves more publicity than what she has, more following than what she has, because this wig is so bomb, like really bomb. The hair is really nice, really flowy, if you guys can tell, and it came already like pre-styled. I told her I didn't want her to cut the lace because I know how to do that myself, and the like edges already come like slayed like this. So it did come in this like little cute bag that has her name, the name of her business on it. It is silk material, so you can like package your wig back up in this if you travel or at night, whatever you want to do. But yes, I am already loving this. The inches that I got on this were 2/28 and a 30" because I was feeling a little extra, and you know it's hot girl summer, and because this quarantine, you know, I've been feeling a little extra. So summer's not canceled, but I am so here for it. I do need to change out the cap underneath my hair just to like better like make sure that it lays with my skin color, so I am going to kind of figure that out. But like, look at how pretty this is. Like, you can do different styles. The knots are already bleached. Like, she really did her thing on this, and it is glueless, so literally like I just threw this on. There's no band or anything. I'm sure if you want a band, like you can ask her and she'll add it, but honestly like she customized this to fit my head, and so like I don't feel like I need one. I love that I can just throw it on and go because I work out so much. Like this is like what I need. You can glue it down, but glue gets messy. The lace glue gets real ugly, so I'm probably not going to be doing that. I don't really feel the need to. As far as tangling the hair, I haven't got any tangles. I haven't got too much shedding. Actually, no shedding, if any. So that's a good sign. I think that I saw her like say that she uses like Indian hair or something. So Indian hair is usually like pretty good. And I don't know, I'm just in love. I think I found where I'm gonna be buying all of my hair from. I can't wait to take pictures. So I did go ahead and cut the lace, and this is how it looks with the laced cut. So pretty. Like this is glueless, like no glue, no adhesive, no anything on the lace at all. This is how it lays. Like it's so pretty. Like I said, I can definitely put the glue on there if I want, but it's definitely like not needed. As you can tell, like it's really still very like flat, and it just looks so she just like really did her thing. Like I love this so much. I feel like Pocahontas. It's just so pretty. I just can't. I'll be sure to post like tons and tons of pictures on Instagram, so make sure that you're following me on Insta so that way you can see you know, how this photographs. But I hope you guys like you know, the unit, and again I will leave her information listed below.